Okay, so I got this kit of impact screwdriver bit set because it has the little Allen wrench heads on it and stuff. And what I needed it for with my drill there, I'll show you. I was putting together the frame on this rocking Papasan chair here, and all these little bolts here are the screws and the nuts here have that Allen wrench head, and not all of them are accessible with the drill. That one isn't because of the grid there, but like these ones here, I needed to have a little Allen head there, so I did that and bought some bit heads there, and it worked great on my drill. And you could see this really cool Papasan chair we just got. They sent this to us, this chair, so that we could show it to you, but this is why I bought the Allen wrench bit heads and stuff. So anyway, was to put that together. So yeah, pretty cool. And I like that it has a whole variety of different ones, because that means I can use it for other different jobs and stuff too. So I hadn't had any bits for my drill with the Allen wrench heads. I had a lot of other heads, like the square heads and the star heads and stuff like that, but I didn't have any of those style. So yeah, good.